Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a HP Colour Laser MFP 178nw. Now this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can see here. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any button presses I do very clear so you can follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you'd like it changed to. So the first thing we need to do is press on this little ellipses here, series of 3 dots, to be taken into the menu. And in menu, we need to press right until we get ourselves over to System Setup, which is the third option. So that's 2 presses on the right, and then OK. Once we're in System Setup, we need Machine Setup, which is the very first option. So we press OK again. And then Language again is the very first option. So we press OK. And now we're in a list of all the different languages your printer can use. You use left and right to navigate through them. If you're in doubt, the currently selected language will be marked with a little asterisk there, as you can see, and mine's still in English. So we press OK. It saves the selected language, and you're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.